Hey Venice, it's Jenny. I'm going to explain another courtesy service we provide, early bird drop-off. We have a key drop located between the first and second service bay doors. What you do is pull down on the key drop door and you will find the after hours envelope to fill out your information. Take your time and fill out all of your information and your vehicle's information as best you can. Don't forget to sign and date the bottom of the envelope. On the envelope, you can make your selections and tell us what is going on with the vehicle. You can bubble it in, or you can write it in if you prefer. Here is an example of the paperwork all filled out. Next, you take your keys and put them into the envelope and seal, like so. Again, make sure that the envelope is signed and dated. Here is a perspective showing where the key drop is located from our front door. Once your envelope is complete, you simply drop it in the key drop slot like so. Keep this service in mind. With holidays and weekends, we like to give our clients the option to leave their vehicles for the next open business day and not have to interrupt their schedules just for auto repairs. Thanks so much for listening. We'll see you around.